Drinking buddies, I finally did it, and I couldn't have done it without you. I have hit 1,000 subscribers. And since I've hit this milestone, I'm gonna start making literally tens of pennies a month. And you know, I gotta spend the money somewhere, all this extra income that's gonna be coming in. And so I thought I would make a really expensive old fashioned. You know, the roots of the channel started in cocktail, but my popularity has come through whiskey, so why not highlight both? Let's make a really expensive old fashioned.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, drinking buddies. So I decided for this extra special event, 1,000 subscribers, that I would make a really, really expensive old fashioned. And oh man, I'm really torn whether or not I should really do this or not, but I'm about to mix with Van Winkle, and it's kind of making me nervous to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because here we are, fancy old fashioned. So, oh my dear Lord God, I'm mixing with Old Rip Van Winkleton. Okay. 1 ounce of Old Rip Van Winkleton. I'm gonna split the base spirit with a rye, and the most expensive rye I have is this Whistle Pig 12. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Whistle Pig 12. All right, next up we gotta get our syrup or our sweetener in. And so, hey, this is our expensive episode. I used local desert honey and a absolute ton of saffron. There's about $30 worth of saffron in this little jar. So since we're going fancy, I thought saffron would be the way to go. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of this. There is a little bit of saffron floating in here, so I am gonna double strain it. Well, I'm gonna strain it. And next up we need our bitters. So I'm gonna do both a dash of Ango and a dash of and a dash of orange bitters. I set up our glass here with a sphere of ice and a blood orange spiral, and let's stir this up. All right, drinking buddies, let's try out this extra bougie old fashioned. Normally I wouldn't use such fancy ingredients for making an old fashioned, but as we said, it's a special occasion, so we are going all out. Cheers, drinking buddies. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for clicking that bell. Couldn't do this without you. So I can taste a little bit of the Old Rip 10 in there. It's just so faint though, because orange and honey and saffron are really the star of this drink. There's a little bit of the maple syrup quality that I pick up off the Whistle Pig 12. This is a store pick from my good friends at Nana's Kitchen. The note that I'm picking up from the Van Winkle is the like vanilla and the oakiness are coming through. But I know obviously there's oakiness on here too, but not much of a vanilla quality on the. Man, that's a really good old fashioned. Probably isn't worth the price that it would cost to make it. Drinking buddies, so thankful for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.